Welcome to Code of Petit Pois. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk through an Astro and Shopify template. We can see here this is going to be part of the Astro Stack platform, and I'm pulling in some images and some prices. This is the home page, and when we click on an item, we can view the product, and then when we click on checkout, it will take us to our Shopify checkout. We've got an about page, we've got a collections page, which shows some collections and each piece of the collection, so we can filter out those if you have collections on your Shopify store. And we've got a contact page, which is a basic form, and some blurb there as well. So this is the template that you'll get if you buy the Astro Stack bundle. It's currently on sale until I'm doing a progressive rollout. So as each template becomes available, you will see the price will change. So I've got a development Shopify store. Sorry, I'm in France, that's why it's all in French. But basically I have some products, and I have collections, and I have everything here. So if I wanted to add a new product, I could say Astro Stack board, Astro Stack board, and we can generate some text, upboard, snowboard with code, something like that. Excellent. And we're going to change the category to art, leisure. No, we're just going to go sports. Sorry, you can do what you want. I'm going to say the price is like $9.99. And how many do we have in stock? We have one in stock, and we have one in store. And by default, yeah, that's fine. And we can register it and say active. That's fine. Type snowboard. I'm going to say snowboard vendor collection, and we're going to say hydrogen. Okay, I'm say on registrate. Oops, close this. So Astro board has been added. So if we go to our collections and we go to hydrogen, we should have 4 pieces now. Yeah, and we have this Astro board. Now I didn't add a picture, so I didn't add any information, so it didn't show up. But if I go back into the product and I look at, sorry, I just need to refresh that. Show the Astro board. Here it is. Sorry. So we look at this and we import. No, sorry. We select an existing piece. Let's say this one. And we say that's fine. Okay, and we say yeah, that's fine. We want to save that. So now we should have the collection, and it should show the Astro board, Astro back board. Here it is. Now it's saying it doesn't have anything here. I don't know if we've added all of the information. Active, publication. Okay. So you see, it basically pulls everything from your Shopify, and you should be able to view all the products. and if you check out, it will take you to the Shopify dashboard. So this is a nice, almost storefront. So if you wanted to have your store on, almost use Shopify as your backend and Astro as your front end, and this is a little template that allows you to do that. So if we quickly look at some of the code, close all of this. So most of the job is actually being handled here in this Spotify.ts file. So we're pulling the domain and the access token, which is all you need to provide in this scenario. If you wanted to alter the CSS, you can as well. It's Tailwind and normal CSS files. So basically we're fetching the GraphQL from the domain, and then we're exporting the query and the values. And those values are what's being used to get all the products and stuff. This function is get all products. So once we have the query, we get products, and we're basically deconstructing a GraphQL to get the ID, the handle, the title, description, images, etc. And we get the price and the amount, and then we obviously get the Shopify and then get all those pages. And we're doing the same with the collections. So the collections are querying the collections, and we're getting the same thing, ID, title, etc. So those are what we're doing. And finally, we're going to get the collection by handle. So basically it takes in the handle that we get back from the get collections, and it gives us all the products in that specific handle. And we're basically doing that by having two extra folders. So we've got a collections folder here, which has the handle, the Astro, and we're basically pulling in all that information from get all collections and collections handle, getting all that information, putting it into a format that is necessary for Astro, and then we're basically looping through it and showing that specific product. And we do the same for the products page. So we've got this query here to get the product handles, and we're saying look at Shopify and fetch it all that data from there. So that's why all you have to do in the env is to add your Shopify domain and storefront token. I only need the store password because I'm using a development file, a development store, but you wouldn't need that in a real store. So yeah, we close these. So let me open the handle. So this is what we do. We get querying the products. Again, it's a GraphQL. We're getting all of that. And then we're exporting all of that information. And we're getting the products. So here we've got the password param that just helps to see it with the checkout URL. So if I look at the home page and we go here and I say checkout now, it should take me, it's taking me to, it needs the password. So I will do that in 1 second. Okay, so now that we've got that working, so we just say checkout now, and it will take you directly to the Shopify store, and you can fill in your information and actually buy the product. So that's everything here. And if you want all the code and everything, like I said, it's in the bundle. So that is something that you could purchase yourself, and you don't only get that collection, that template, but you also get the other templates as well, which is the GSAP portfolio, which I have done a video explicitly on, the pre-order and waitlist pro, which I've had an intro video on, and this current one, which is coming tomorrow on Monday. So I've got 2 more coming, a lead generation pro template, which will be all about resend and Astro, and a CRM dashboard with Superbase. So those are what's coming, and if you buy it now, you get everything that's ready today, and also the next 3 as well essentially for free. So that is the Astro and Superfly tutorial. I hope you found that interesting. And yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.